Welcome back, everybody. My name is Tom Olsen. The name of the show is Olsen on Law, every Saturday at 11 a.m. right here on News 96.5. I'd like to introduce you to attorney Michelle Berry. She specializes in family law, including divorce, alimony, child support, and timeshare. Hey, Michelle, welcome to the show.
Hi there, Tom. Thanks for having me.
Michelle, I got a call from a listener, and he had been divorced 10 years ago, and he wants to take his kids on an out-of-the-country vacation this year, which I'm sure would be wonderful for the minor children. But the mother is objecting to it and saying it's not within their parenting plan for him to take the kids out of the country and is not letting them go. And I thought that might be a common situation in summertime with all the vacations with kids and divorced parents. What do you think about that?
Oh, yeah. Well, there is definitely a lot of traveling that goes on during the summer, and a lot of folks have issues with things like making sure they have the correct IDs for their children, making sure that their names match, and, of course, making sure that it's on the parenting plan that, yes, they are allowed to take the children out of the country. And normally on a parenting plan, there is a clause that addresses that. It'll say things like, if you want to take the children out of the state, then you have to give a certain amount of notice. If you want to take them out of the country, then you give them a bit more notice. And normally it provides the other party with a list and itinerary and contact information of where you guys are going to be. So if there's a conflict now, there's two different ways to sort it out. One would be to stipulate to a new parenting plan, because, of course, if they got divorced 10 years ago, the children are 10 years older, things change, and children have lives as well. So that is one of the things that can be done. It can be done with a stipulation. You don't have to reopen the case. The court would then ratify the stipulation with an order that says it is the new parenting plan, and it is simple, done and simple. Otherwise, the other route would be with litigation and reopening the case and asking through a supplemental petition to modify the parenting plan that's currently in existence because of the changes that had occurred in the last 10 years.
So the court's position is okay to take the kids out of the country as a general rule as long as you give sufficient notice to the other parent.
Absolutely. And normally it's about 30 days notice if you know you're going to take the children out of the country. Normally most people book their flights or their cruises at least that far in advance. So at that time, it's common procedure to let the other parent know where you're going, what you're doing, and here's the way to get a hold of us.
All right. Hey, Michelle, tell the listeners how they can reach you.
Best way to get a hold of me is contact me at my phone number of 407-622-4529, or the absolute best way to get me is my email, which is michelle@mbarrylaw.com, which is MICHELLE@MBARRYLAW.com. I look forward to hearing from folks with family law concerns.
Thank you. We appreciate it. That's Michelle Berry. She's an attorney right here in the Orlando area. She specializes in family law, including divorce, alimony, child support, and timesharing. You can reach her at her office at 407-622-4529 or her website, mbarrylaw.com. Thank you for calling, Michelle. We appreciate it.